If you want to digital marketing and video marketing, and if you want to earn money online, then this video for you. In this video I will tell you some tips to make money, with which you can earn money by doing video marketing right from home. So hi friend, welcome to my channel Amresh11 Tech. And if you are watching this video on YouTube channel, then subscribe to my channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then follow and like my page and share with your friend. People say they are not getting job, they are not getting work. What should I do? Whereas nowadays everyone has at least 15,000 smartphone and have a good internet. And sitting at home in such expensive smartphone, playing PUBG game, any other games. Playing games no problem, but it is not understood that you can earn millions of rupees from smartphone you are playing game with. And this social media platform you use incorrectly, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, you can generate a lot of revenue from it. I wish you to not share any copyright videos or music on your social media platform. If you want to create your own videos content and upload it on social media platform. And what to do if people say they can't find jobs? So I wish you that you will get tired of working in digital marketing, video marketing field, and look at working in digital marketing field, but there will never be any work in life, and there is no limit in this field. The more you work hard, you can generate a revenue. And this is a small social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. You should not consider it a joke. In reality, it is a very big social media platform. You can generate a lot of revenue from it. And on the social media platform, you upload your own videos, genuine videos, and try generate leads. If your video posts are good, then the audience will be attracted to you, and the day you have more audience will come, that day you will be successful in the digital marketing, video marketing field. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, then like it. And again I tell you, if you are watching this video on YouTube channel, then subscribe to our channel. If you are watching on Facebook page, then follow our Facebook page and share with your friend. And thanks for watching my video. I will come again with a new video and new topic.